Good morning. My name is Mounica and I'm from CSE DS department from MRC College, and I'm going to tell you about dichotomies. Dichotomies is nothing but making a thing into two parts. So here we are taking testing and debugging. What is testing and what is debugging? Testing is nothing but we have to check whether whether the features of the system or behavior of the system is correct or not. And debugging is nothing but it is the both of them are similar, but the procedures and steps are different. Their goals are different. And here in testing, the procedure it will follow the procedure in step by step manner what to do and how to do, but debugging will not follow the instructions, it will not follow the procedure in a step by step manner. And here it is testing is done by the tester, and here the debugging is done by the programmer itself. The tester will not have any idea of the coding, he will just test the code what the developer is given. And debugger is a programmer, he knows the entire code of the program, and he also knows about where the flow comes from, one flow to where the control flows from one place to another place and all. And here it takes and it, the testing takes it is a we can also say that testing is a black box testing, and debugging is a white box one. And here it always proves that programmer is fault, because he will always find the fault in the code, and he will always tell about the faults in the programmer what you have done. But debugging is not like that. He will just the programmer himself is a debug tester here, so he will justify his code here. Okay. And next is what the tester will not have much knowledge about the coding, and debugger himself is a programmer, so he will have all the knowledge about the code. And next is what functional testing versus structural testing. Functional testing is nothing but it is a black box testing, and structural is white box testing. Black box means we will check the whole behavior of the system, and white box means we will check the code where the flow is going from one place to another place. Okay. And here it will take functional testing will take much time, and debugging will take less time. And next is what designer versus tester. Designer is nothing but he will develop the code, and tester is nothing but he will test the code. Okay, here the in unit testing designer and tester both will combine, and the developer will be doing the testing. And in functional testing, the tester himself is a tester here. Okay, the debugger will not come here, the designer will not come here. Next is modularity versus efficiency. Modularity means what here a single component is called a module, and if the module is smaller, we cannot integrate the code, and if the module is very big, we cannot understand the code. Okay, we have to but we have to make a module in a medium size, so that whatever the code we are taking, whatever the code we are testing here will be uh, will, will deliver a good product here. So efficiency here, the efficiency is related to modularity. If the modularity is good, then efficiency automatically will become good. It means what both of them are related to each other, and we will get a good product here. And next is small versus large. If the program is very small, we cannot integrate it, and they will use it for the personal use. Okay, and that is small program. A large program is nothing but the designer will different programmers will write the program, and they will test it. Okay, but here the quality and quantitative will depends upon the size of the program. Quality means what, how good the code is, how error free it is. And quantitative is nothing but it is the size of the program. If the program is big, if the program is complex, then we will get a good quality. If the program is very small, we will get a less quality. Thank you.